Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khairil Hanim, student ID number E1B0-2022-072. I am from the Civic and Pancasila Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Mataram. Today, I want to talk about the benefits of learning English and why it is important for us Civic and Pancasila education students. English is not only a subject at school. It is a language that connects people from many countries around the world. In today's modern era, English is used in education, business, technology, and daily communication. For us as future teachers, learning English can help us to grow, communicate better, and understand the world more widely. Main points 1. Better job opportunities. English can help us get more job opportunities. If we can speak English, we can work in international schools, join exchange programs, or work with people from other countries. It makes us more ready for the future. 2. Access to more knowledge. Many books, journals, and learning materials are written in English. By understanding English, we can read more information about democracy, human rights, and global citizenship topics that are very close to our study program. 3. Easier communication when traveling. English helps us communicate when we travel or join international activities. For example, if we attend a conference or meet foreigners, we can easily introduce ourselves and share ideas. 4. Better communication skills. Learning English helps us speak clearly and confidently. As future civic education teachers, this is important because we will teach, explain ideas, and guide students in discussion. 5. Building self-confidence. When we can speak English, we feel proud and more confident. It helps us when speaking in front of others or during academic activities. 6. Understanding other cultures. Through English, we can learn about other cultures from movies, music, and books. This helps us understand diversity and practice tolerance values that are also taught in civic and Pancasila education. To conclude, English gives us many benefits. It helps us find better jobs, gain more knowledge, improve our communication, and understand other cultures. For us as civic and Pancasila education students, English is not just a language, it is a bridge to become global citizens and good educators. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this short presentation can motivate all of us to keep learning English and use it to build a better future. Thank you very much. See you next.